Yo, Mr. Boy.
We mwega muthikiriria na mwiroreri wa Miaki na Mebe TV ngwiraga haha niho mucii wigue wi mucii riu mutarani wa kihiko kuma kuria mwena wa FB itara ya kerere itagutinda ngitengora nukite na gatara kihiko kia Njeri wa Muigai wa Njoroge uria gibatie gugikara kana niki giake muthukirie niguo ume kihiko-ini giake andikite ndumiriri ndaihu no ndigukinoga gugithomera tondu irauga atiriri nimakiandikitwo na githungu ni mukunjohera kidogo no haria ngukihota gutaura ni ngugitaura augite atiriri you leave a man who pays your rent no ngiye mwakinyita provide food, pay school fees, support your business, is emotionally and physically available simply because he want to officially marry another woman. Wakiigua akiuga atiriri wagitiga muthuri ukurihagira nyumba I provide irio akira school fees cia ciana I support ki business na kihakiri hamwe na kimwiri tondu ni akiuga ni arenda kuhikia mutumia ungi akiendelea akauga atiriri thinking that you will get a better replacement out here will only get men whose goal is drink from you well, nothing long term. In short, you end up becoming a freezer. Akimwira gukuja gutikihana uria aragiciria ithia gucemania na mundu uria uramuria no ti mundu uramwaka akiuga atiriri ngirikiriria surprisingly a woman spearheading the Miss Independent akiuga mwanaume can't tell me anything ikuigana uria aragitwaro slogan I'll dating married men well unless have multiple partners. Before you listen to anyone telling you to leave your marriage, think and think twice. It will be a huge downgrade to leave your marriage to become a side chick. Akiuga tubatie ati kuigua maoni ma andu niguo kiume kihiko-ini giaku tondu ni urakirwo tondu nima muthuri ka mutumia umugitiga kihiko hena umwe safaga no mwagagithi wega yo ni reality maoni ma andu ni maingi no ndigukinoga guthomera tondu Susan akauga atiriri the fact remains that every individual is unique. His and her priority unique. Being female does not translate into prioritizing having one's rent paid. Pastor Kagatiriri, it's not about paying bills. No. Peace of mind every woman need. Tondu bia ticio kila kindu Grace Manu akauga atiriri happiness is paramount, leave school fees and all that. Nowadays women pay their bill without men. Reality ni kire hau na yake na reply nyingi muno tondu ni akihutiria haria ho. Becky the comedian akauga atiriri better be happy side chick than being in a stressful marriage. Akiuga maoni mama madu kuma ngurani maoni maku ni mariko kumana na video no comment hau thika subscribe Miaki na Mebe TV o hinda ringi ni ndaumagara.